This solves multiple different problems. It's mainly with software. We had 10 different softwares we were using. This consolidated all our tech stack into one. It makes us a lot more efficient. We're having all our customers in one database rather than spread out between 7 different systems. Our accounting's now together with our customers. We're not copying and pushing data back and forth between multiple systems. We're able to do more with less because we're not updating manual spreadsheets anymore. We can actually use the information that's inside Acumatica. And then we're able to also have inventory management and push to one of our 100 plus websites that have inventory sitting on them. The accounting space I thought was done extremely well, especially we use their thing called multi-currency because we have offices in also Europe, so we have to consolidate our financials and do currency conversions. The accounting side was really solid for that. It's seamless to go between tenants. And the WMS I thought was extremely easy to implement in the warehouse. I thought it was an easy to use tool, had a pretty good user adoption. I think the area was in our warehouse module and the WMS side. I feel their barcode labeling for inventory was kind of lacking and could use some improvement there, especially customized labels on the fly. That they didn't have much capabilities there, especially when you're trying to label your warehouse. And then the other area is auto-save features. A lot of softwares, as you make a change, is saving in the background. Acumatica, you always have to hit save. If there would be some automation add a save, where just saving your changes as you go, so you don't have to teach users to save, would be great. 8. If you're trying to consolidate and have a source of truth, Acumatica is going to be your number one choice. Also, if you're looking at developing into the platform, Acumatica is going to be a really good choice. If you're running just a very detailed scope, something that's very detailed, like a car part or like a jewelry item, you will need some add-ons in Acumatica to help with some of the inventory type things. So it probably wouldn't be the best suited unless you spent a little more money to have a vendor help you with some of that stuff. It's had a positive impact. I guess I don't know the ROI off the top of my head, but it's really eliminated a lot of our expense, especially software expense, when you're paying each software contract individually and having to maintain those contracts, and then also having employees to update spreadsheets manually, and that's their only job. So we can offset the Acumatica's yearly costs with just the savings on employees and other softwares. So I think the ROI is on day one for us. Pretty much on day one once we could implement. I would say the community and my partner were the top two. We use it mainly for the WMS and accounting side. Since we're in the promotion industry, there's some features that it just doesn't work well in, but we've gotten around that by using customized fields and things like that, but we saw the greater benefit in the WMS and accounting side. We evaluated NetSuite. We actually used their product for a little bit. It was very slow, unresponsive, very hard to develop against, and wasn't very user-friendly. So we did make the move to Acumatica, and it solves all those needs. Their cloud platform is a lot more responsive. We're talking 5 to 10 seconds faster to do simple tasks per sales transaction. So that attributes to a lot of time. Yes, so far it does, yes. Yes, I am. Yes. No, but that was more on our end. We had some difficulties. Yes.